anyị nwezi anyị na-ekpokuzi ekpoku ndị avid American veterans of Igbo descent fa present si Fanny Nwelo. Aga m akpọ Reverend Ambassador Paul Ndukwe on Canada or representing anyị in many World Igbo Congress. Now many things, high level things in his capacity as an ambassador. Okay, Mande Avid, Avid, Ngwa, Bagotenu.
Avid, before we anything, can or guy, Officer Jofo, on a ministry. I am a Judo here, to go in or here. I am always more than 10 minutes. We are military, we are action people. But then we have a few things in my point, which everybody think about. You're not that. And what I hear here, now the kind of Kube. So you need to think back what he have told the Igbos. Ndiji nan the kanji bonine. Yes. Aboni Igbo call me, our personal will educate you why they are holding him. So let us understand one thing. Call a spade a spade. Anu gomundi kesi na ndi Igbo na Igbo Igbo. Avid endorse ESN. So as you did, WIC endorse ESN. They might wait to tell you Bubago. Fulani women infiltrate. Want people to be killing us. Probably have few of our bad ones to kill some other people. But I'm not going to get into that because it's security issues. The fact of the matter is, we have to get back home. 1967, we fought a war. Some of our veterans are still here. But we are the veterans of American descent, Igbo, that fought in American wars, still serving this nation. That's our brother there that we lost in Iraq. And we do tell these people, when I get into to talk to them, that we have paid the price. They need to help us, but we need to help ourselves before they can help us. So, having said that, there's so much we need to do. We are doing a lot of talking. Action. We have so many organizations, it doesn't matter. But it's going to take few people to liberate us. It's not going to take everybody. So it's good that we have all these organizations fighting from all fronts. It's so good. Sometimes our enemies don't even know where we're coming from. But we'll get there. Now, talking about morals or saboteur, somebody like me, I'm not scared of anybody except God. So they know about me. They're not worried. That's right, so even if you are here, you have getting the opportunity to know me today. So we're not scared, we're not worried. We need our brother out. That's the most important thing. Amen. The United Nations the group have said that Nnamdi should be out. Why are they still holding him? They are holding the Igbos. Peter Obi is supposed to be here. Why is he not here? We don't want a situation where you get there, you overcompensate. I will get to him. I'm going to Washington. I'll have one of the governors reach out to him so that I can tell him what I need to tell you. He needs to know that he's going to win. Peter Obi will win the presidency, but what happens? Is Fulani going to let him lead? He needs to understand that and have Americans back him. I'm not saying he's doing anything wrong, but he needs to understand this country. He needs to be in a place to tell them, listen, I am running, the whole Nigerians are behind me, but these people will not give it to me. I need your help. He needs to do that. If he has any advisors, tell him to reach out so we can show him something that he's missing. He's going to win, but they're not going to let him lead because what? He's an Igbo man. I want to thank everybody that is here. We are engaging in world powers. We talk to them. Britain, we have as Oganya White. When we hook it up, we get him involved, we get other people involved. One thing about being veterans is that we don't pay millions of dollars to lobby to knock at any door. We knock at it, they open it, they listen to us. But bear in mind that Nigerian government have used so much money to buy lobbyists, millions and billions of dollars. So we come in, we tell them the story, they know the truth. Sometimes I'm nice, sometimes I'm so aggressive. What else can anybody do to me they haven't done? They're killing my brothers in Olo, everywhere. Name it. So what else are you going to do? If you see me out there now today, did I die young? No. We have lost so much. So you need to be told, the truth needs to be told to the world powers, and we are telling them that. So that's why I need to be to understand. You need to come around. She's supposed to be here. I'm representing Somba with Avid. I'm not going to tell you guys the story behind Somba. But Kyle, are you here still with us? He's one of us with Somba. So I have to shout out to him, because some people might be wondering, what is the white guy doing here? So he's one of us, and so many other people. There are so many people walking this front and fighting this fight. But what we are saying is, what I'm saying in particular is every organization needs to respect each other, and work as brothers. Let's not start fighting each other. We're not getting anywhere there. Just compliment each other. Know that there's something your brother is doing you are not doing. Ask me when I don't believe that. We do have leaders. He's one of them. And so many of you here. Every one of you can lead Nigeria, lead Africa better to another place. But there's a reason why somebody doesn't want us to be free. And we have refused. We have to be free. We have to free ourselves, whether they like it or not. And we have to understand by saying things that we have to do. Not just to be so scared, painting words. I need people to tell the world to release Nnamdi Kanu. That's right. And he needs to say that. Not when you get in power now, then you say, then the Fulani will start fighting you. Tell them what you need to do and how you're going to do it. If you're not ready to do that, let us know. So that you don't mess up people that are fighting for Biafra and all this and all that. We need freedom. We are not the only ones that need freedom. The whole Nigeria needs freedom. Please don't undermine each other. Let's compliment each other. We just came back from Haiti. Like Osawu was saying, Prof, the Haitians are our brothers. They have given us the opportunity to fly straight from Haiti, Cape Kevin, to Enugu. Direct flight. So if we can get any of our brothers to fly Haiti tomorrow, I assure you, it's a question of the senator on his own, that's his city, and he's running for the presidency. He said, my brothers can start coming from Enugu to Haiti, direct flight. As of tomorrow. And he wants to open a business relationship between the Igbos and them. They are us. Even their music, everything is the same. And there are so many other places we have gone to, which I'm not going to mention here. Anything about security, if you want to know much, you can get to Avid. This is one of my men, very active. We have all kind of people. Not sometimes I'm with set banner and I tell them, the Fulanis are not serving you. My brothers are in the force, active, and so many retired. I don't see any Fulanis serving them. And mind you, we have the best military in the whole world, United States. So any of those people that you think we should be worried about, they are scared of us. They know what we are made of. If anybody wants to fight the insecurity in Nigeria, it won't take more than 1 month. There's drones. Our so-called governors, we reached out to them before Nnamdi established ESL. Ask them, do you want to solve problems? Let's help you. All they could have done is pick up a little drones. They use the drones and monitor everywhere and keep people land safe. They don't want to keep our land safe. They don't. So they should not be blaming Fulanis for that one. It's our so-called governors.
They want to make money.
Yes, it's for their pocket and their whatever thing. We need people that will serve our people, not people that will get in there just to enrich themselves. Thank you all for listening for my anger. Sometimes I get angry.
Igbo Kwenu! Igbo Kwenu! Well, my name is Chukwudi Edemuso. 24 years active duty U.S. Navy. You name any country, I've been there. that I'm not here to praise Caesar. I'm here to tell you that Arvid is doing it. Arvid is one of the organizations here in the United States that is doing what we need to do.
Move away.
Yeah.
Keep moving.
And so,
You know, I think I have a very good voice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I do in the Navy is I train the war fighters, people who fight war. I train them. You go to Abraham Lincoln, you go to all these ships, Abraham Lincoln with up to 7,000 people on the ship.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Or more. And other ships without saying too much because loose lips sink the ship. So, but what we're saying is we've reached out to the governors. We wrote to them, we wanted to help. We want to do what nobody has done. As a matter of fact, other veteran groups are reaching out to us to teach them what we're doing. We've already reached out to more than 16 senators, and they are working with us. As a matter of fact, also, when Mr. Blinken went to Nigeria, he came back and Nigeria was removed from CPC, countries of particular concern. Arvid reached out to Mr. Rubio and other senators, and then the following week, what happened? They wrote to Biden and said, you need to put Nigeria back to CPC. That's what happened. I know Mr. President has already talked a lot. I'm not going to talk too much on this, but Arvid also needs your help. We need financial support. There are things we are planning that we cannot discuss here.
That's right. Yeah.
Deeper than you even know. But we cannot discuss those things here. We need financial support so we can do what we need to do.
That's right.
So without much ado, Igbo quest win.